Today I'm going to teach you how you can set up your own Hytale server. The first option is you can rent one at survivalservers.com by going to the homepage and navigating to our Hytale order section. Here you can fill out your order form, you can select your location, your billing cycle, and the different packages that we offer for Hytale. Once this is complete, you're eventually going to see a screen that has your server name, password, and your server status. You can also then click the green button at the bottom to start your server. Also on this page, you can find the file manager, as well as tools like the server config tool, which will allow you to customize server settings. The second option is you can host from a local save file. This is a little more limited and it limits the amount of players you can have on the server. To set this up, click on the online play from the escape menu, click allow other players to join, enter a password, the save button at the bottom, and it will generate a code. This code you can copy to your clipboard and provide to your friends, and they'll be able to join your server with this code. The third option is you can host a dedicated server on your own computer at home. To do this, navigate to our wiki site and click on the Hytale downloader, which will redirect you to download the Hytale downloader, which will allow you to get the server files. Once this is downloaded, extract the contents of the folder to where you want to host your server from. I have a folder on my desktop. Then, once the files have been extracted, you're going to want to double click on the exe file to open up the Hytale downloader. This will open up a command window like you see here. Next, you'll see two links. You'll want to use the first link in the command window, and you're going to copy and paste that into your web browser. This is going to authenticate your server to allow you to download the files. You'll click approve, you click on the Cloudflare challenge, and then your server files will begin to download. Once the files finish downloading, you'll have a zip file. Open this up in a new window, or tab, depending on which you prefer. Then copy both files into your main directory. Let these files extract. Then you can delete the zip file. The next step is you're going to want to open a command window and type java --version to make sure you have Java 25 installed. If you do not have Java 25 installed, you'll need to install it, which you can find a link to and install on our wiki page. Next, you'll need the command to start your server. You can find this on our wiki page right here. Copy this and open a command prompt window and paste it into your server's root directory. Once you hit enter, you'll see the console window populate with a bunch of data. You might be prompted to allow Java through your firewall. Click allow. Then you're going to want to find /auth login device and then enter this in the console window. This is once again going to pop up a link that you're going to want to copy and paste into your web browser. And once again, you want to approve and then click the Cloudflare prompt. This allows players to connect to your server and authorizes it with Hytale's system. The last step is you want to type /authorize persistence encrypted. What this does is this keeps the authentication through restarts for your server. Then to connect to your server, on the servers tab, you'll want to click add server, type localhost and give it a name, click add server, double click on it, and you'll be connected to your server. Now, if you want your friends to be able to join you, you're going to need to give them your actual public IP address as well as the port. The default port on the server is 5520. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.